Dear viewers, if you receive international payment in foreign currency like USD, Euro or Pound from Amazon, Fiverr or from any other freelancing website, then watch this video till the end because I'll share you the cheapest and best option to receive this foreign currency international payment into your directly Indian bank account. The first option is the decade-old method of check payment, but check payment is very time consuming and also an expensive process because it takes a lot of time to land the check in your hand, then you will submit to your bank and banks will then convert into Indian currency and that's an expensive process. The second process is another popular method is PayPal. You can receive international payments from PayPal, but PayPal is also very expensive. From my personal experience, I can say it's really expensive than the method that I know. The third option, remember, I never recommend any platform unless I have used it. The third and cheapest option that I am going to share is actually I am using in the last few years. So that option is, what if you can get a virtual bank account in Euro or in Pound or in Japan or Australia and receive payment on that account, and from there it transfers into your Indian bank account. I am repeating, suppose you are doing freelancing work or you are collecting Amazon affiliate or Amazon selling payment in the currency Euro or in the Pound. So while you are collecting payment in Euro, if you have a bank account, a virtual bank account in Europe, which is taking that Euro, and from there that amount is directly settles to your Indian bank account, that will be the cheapest because on that process there are no multiple currency conversion charges. Well, the platform that offers this service is called Payoneer. If you are new, if you never heard this Payoneer, you can sign up in Payoneer using my referral link given in the description box. If you sign up with my referral link, you will earn $35 once you receive 1000 payment. You can also sign up without my referral link, but in that case you won't receive any extra benefit. So now I'll move into the slides to show you how you can sign up on Payoneer, how to create on these virtual accounts. Those are very easy process. How to receive payments, for example Amazon payment or from freelancing payment on those virtual accounts, and how soon from those virtual account it comes into the Indian bank account. So let's move on to the slides. Once you click on my referral link in the description box, this page will open. Make sure to figure out that sign up and earn $35. If you don't click my referral link, then what will happen? You can't earn this $35. So once you see that earn $35, then you are sure that you have opened my referral link for the sign up, and then you can click on this sign up button. Then another page will open. The sign up process is very simple. So it will just ask you a few questions like what is your purpose of payment. Like as you can see, let's find the right account for you. So you just need to select I am a business person or online seller or service provider or what, and then you just need to put down your email ID and all, then your account will be ready. Now I'll show you my account, because as this is my account, like as I am saying that I never recommend any platform or product unless and until I have used it. So this is my account. So after your sign up, you will get this kind of account. From there, let's show you how you can get those virtual bank account in USD or like in Canada CAD or like Euro or Pound. So here if you click on the receive button, so from there are three options. So the second option you will find is the global payment service. So once you click on the global payment service, what will happen? Multiple currency virtual bank account option will open. Like already I have this Australia bank account, Canada, Japan, UK, US and Eurozone account. So here in the Canada, so obviously first you need to put a request for creating this account. Once your account is ready, then if you check on the view details, you will find your virtual bank account details here. Like as you can see, the bank name, institution number and all. So now what you simply need to do, if you are taking payment from websites like Amazon or you are receiving payment currency from Canada, so you need to put your bank details on those websites of the person who are making payment, and from there directly the amount will settles to your Indian bank account. Here you need to remember one point, even if you are not Indian, if you are from another country, then also you can sign up for this Payoneer account and you can receive the amount in your local bank account. Now let's have a look how many days it requires from this bank account amount to settle in my Indian bank account. So for that, let's again go back to my home page. So in my home page, all the transaction activities will be there. So from there, this is the list. You can see that like Amazon paid me on 29th January this €2, and on the same day on 29th January itself, that €2 transferred into my Yes Bank account, which is my Indian account. So in 29th January, you will find multiple transactions. So basically these are the transactions that Amazon paid to me in CAD in euro, and immediately on the same day that amount settles to my Indian bank account. So this is for if you are collecting, if you are an Amazon seller or if you are an Amazon author. Basically I have my book on Amazon and I collect all the payment, the royalty payment in this way. Now if you are offering any kind of service, or if say for example if you are a freelancer, you have designed an website and then you are billing to a foreign customer. So on that case, what you need to do, you need to click on a request a payment. So once you click on the request a payment, then what will happen, the Payoneer platform will ask you some details like how do you collect payment from your clients today. So let's click by billing them directly. So by billing them, then there are who do you request to payment from. So let's click the other business, and then you need to create select the category. Like if I select the design and multimedia, then provide details. Then once you provide these details, then what will happen, an invoice will generate, and you can send the link to your client, to your business client, and then while that person pays on their currency, the international client pay on their currency, so you will get directly settled to your bank account. The best part of Payoneer is, like as you can see, my balance USD, Euro, GBP, these are 0. So basically best part is Payoneer themselves doesn't hold any kind of money. If today I receive USD payment, on the same day USD transfers to the Indian bank account. So as per the Indian law, they are fully compliant, and you will never find any kind of balance staying in your Indian account. So whatever you will receive, whatever the global payment, whatever the small amount you will receive, $1, $2, that will immediately transfers to your Indian bank account. Now, what are the limitations? Okay, before telling the limitations, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel yet, make sure to click on the subscribe button for getting multiple insightful video on the upcoming days. Now, everything comes with some limitation. The limitation is, first of all, Payoneer doesn't offer any payment gateway, or it won't integrate in your website. So if you think that you want to integrate a payment gateway to collect international payment, then you can't do through Payoneer. PayPal offers this kind of service. The second limitation, major limitation, is Payoneer doesn't support person to person or consumer to consumer payment. Rather, it is for business to business payment. Now there is a very thin difference between person to person and business to business. Suppose you are an individual and you are doing some logo, or might be you are do some video editing, image editing, then you can charge or you can bill your customers, your international customers, for this logo editing job, and you can receive your payment in your account. That's fine. But you are the same person. If you think that okay, any of my relatives stays in USA, so from USA I will collect money from your relative, then that won't support, Payoneer won't support that because of some RBI, Indian Reserve Bank of India, some laws and guidelines. So that's the major limitation. So person to person payment is not supported. Rather, Payoneer is complete platform for business to business. So whether you are an individual or a company, if you want to collect payment from the freelance job, or if you want to collect payment from the Amazon, or if you want to collect payment from Fiverr or any other business entity for doing any service, then Payoneer is the best. Why best? The first of all, Payoneer don't have any kind of hidden charges. Like in PayPal, while I collect, if my customer pays 100 USD and from 100 USD it comes to my Indian account, so what I noticed, PayPal deducts a lot more. But in Payoneer there is no hidden charges. There is only currency conversion rate, and only once the currency is converted, because I can receive, if my customer is in Europe, then I can receive on euro. If my customer is in Japan, then I can get the payment in Japanese currency. So there is no multiple currency conversion, and from this Japanese currency yen to direct in my Indian bank account, there is only one currency conversion charge, and that's very nominal charge. So if you collect international payment, if you receive, if you are a business person or if you are a freelancer and receive international payments from your colleague, then I can highly recommend you should sign up for the Payoneer for the cheapest international payment receiving directly to your bank account. Make sure to sign up using my referral link that is given in the description box, because if you sign up through that link, then you'll earn $35 after you receive $1,000. If you have any kind of queries, make sure to put it on the comment box. I'll reply. That's it as on today. Stay tuned for more insightful video. Goodbye.